Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss align tools command in Revit. So see how to use the align command in Revit. So here suppose I have placed one component like any component, suppose table or desk. Here I have placed the desk. Okay, now to use the align command you have to come here in modify tab, modify panel. Here you can see the align icon is shown here, or you can use the shortcut also AL. Okay, now how to use, suppose here we have placed the table. So now you want to align this table through this wall. Okay, so how to use, see, hit on this. First you have to come here in modify tab, modify panel. From here you have to select the align command. Now first of all, here you have to select line or point reference for alignment. So here I have selected this reference line because I want to align this object through this line. So first select the reference line for alignment. Okay, now you have to select the face of this table. Which face you want to align? You want to align this face, select it. Now see, your object is aligned. Same way, press the Ctrl Z. Now I'm using same align command. Through this wall only I want to align. So see, first you have to select the wall face. Okay, select it. Now you want to align this face of this table. See, here you will get this center corner and this corner. So as per your requirement, if you want to align this, select it. See, now the center line of this table is aligned. Okay, so now the next one is what, suppose now when you hit on this align command, here you can see in option bar wall faces is given. When we are selecting the alignment reference line of alignment, so it is here the wall face is selected. If you want to align the object from wall center line, so from here you have to select the wall center line. Now when you take the cursor, here you will get the wall center line. 1 minute, just come here, hit on this wall center line. Now see, here you will get the wall center line. Now select this center line, you want to align this furniture. So see, now the object is aligned, but through which, through this center of this wall. Okay, now same way, here I have drawn the one wall vertically, one horizontally. Suppose if you want to align this thing, this wall to this wall, so what you can do, select the aligned command. I want to align this wall face to this face, but here see, when I'm selecting, I want to select the wall face, but here it is showing center line. So from here you have to change the wall face. Now select the wall face. Okay, hit on this, first select the wall face for alignment. Now select this face. Now see, same way, suppose you want to align this wall, you want to join this wall to this wall. So what you can do, select this face, select this. Now see, the wall is joined. Okay, same way, suppose here if you have created wall like this, suppose this is my wall. Okay, here we have created different wall like this. Okay, now you want to align the wall. So first what you have to use, modify tab, modify panel, align. Now first here you have to select the alignment. I want to align all this wall through this face. So select the reference line or reference face of for alignment. So I have selected. Now you want to you want to align this wall, same, select this face, but it will take time. Again, if you want to align this wall also, so you have to select this point, then you have to select this point. So instead of that, what you can do, just hit on this align command. Here you can see in option bar you will get one option, multiple alignment, because in one click only you want to align this all wall as per this face. Okay, check multiple alignment, select this face. Now select the object which you want to align, select this one and this one. Now see, in this way you can use the align command. Okay, so I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.